Welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday, the first day of the work week, also the last day of March. It is March 31st. I hope everybody had a good weekend. I took a little bit of time off. Not from videos, but just, yeah. So last night, I prepared spicy New Orleans shrimp, and I served that over white rice. I give this a 4, almost a 5, but a 4. It's good. Definitely Cajun, definitely spicy. It's as spicy as you want it. It also depends on your Cajun seasoning blend. My Cajun seasoning blend, my personal, that I do sell, is not really, doesn't have a lot of cayenne in it. I mean, there's cayenne in it, but it's not real spicy. It's good. It made for a great meal. Tonight, I postponed this meal. Remember yesterday, I swapped the spicy New Orleans shrimp with this stir fry. Today is pork and broccoli with mushrooms, and I'll be serving this over a udon dried noodle. Let's get to it. Champion back out. It had a day off yesterday. Good old Dutch oven for the noodles. And we have pork. This has been a really good cut of pork for me. Yeah, it's been really nice and tender. Some oil for the champion, aka wok. Some broccoli, which I'll trim up. I'm using baby bell mushrooms, one of my favorites. Just a little bit of garlic. Yeah, there's not a lot of garlic in this, according to the recipe. These are the noodles. Yeah, I've done a lot of rice, so we're going with these. The sauce is extremely simple. Just a little bit of, about a quarter cup of veggie stock, a couple tablespoons of soy sauce, a little bit of cornstarch, brown sugar, and the sesame seeds are basically for a garnish. That's it. That's it. This is a super simple stir fry. And if I remember correctly, this was originally supposed to be a chicken, but I was wanting to go with pork. So yeah, this was originally a chicken stir fry, from the original recipe. So yeah, so on this Monday, the last day of March, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.